Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Modalyst for inventory syncing, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Modalyst for inventory syncing, start by visiting the Modalyst website. Log into your Modalyst account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Integrations tab in the main menu and click on it. You will see a list of available e-commerce platforms. Select the platform you wish to integrate with Modalyst. After selecting the platform, click on the Connect or Authorize button. This will redirect you to the platform's authorization page. Log into your e-commerce account if prompted. Grant permission for Modalyst to access your store's inventory. Review the permissions requested and confirm by clicking Allow or Authorize. Return to the Modalyst dashboard once you have authorized the connection. Check for a confirmation message indicating that your store has been successfully connected. Now, navigate to the Inventory section in Modalyst. You should see your store's inventory syncing in real time. To ensure everything is working, check the inventory levels and product status. If any issues arise, revisit the integration settings to troubleshoot. Your Modalyst account is now fully authorized for inventory syncing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.